Hey, it's Damon here with another unboxing. This one's from Garage 16. I know I haven't uploaded it in a while, but this will be a good way to get back into it. We got a big package here today. This one's my lowering springs, some dressed up stuff, and a K-tuned intake. First things first is my K-tuned short ram 3-inch intake. Got the nice matte black intake piping, your MAF sensor. Got the K-tuned air filter here. Actually looks like a nice filter. Comes with the hose clamp for that, and a K-tuned sticker. Got the hardware here and more hose clamps for the coupling. So next I'll just give you a quick, more in-depth view of the intake I just picked up. The K-tuned 3-inch intake once again. With it I got the K-tuned oil filter, some hardware for the mounting. Here's the short ram pipe. Real nice brushed look with the matte black finish. And typical hose clamps and K-tune's own coupler. Comes with the breathing hose and a mounting bracket. So these parts actually took about 2 weeks to come, and I was actually expecting them in about 3 days, but they're here now, and I will actually be also uploading later on a quick install video. But actually this was a pretty big haul. It actually hurt the wallet kind of, and I got actually a few more things, so I'll be unboxing those in this video as well. So I also picked up some things just to dress up the engine bay. I got the K-tuned gloss black battery tie down, along with the K-tuned dipstick. Also, as you can see, I got a set of lowering springs for my car. I actually looked for the True Heart springs, but they didn't currently have them in stock, so I got some 1.6-inch lowering Megan Racing springs. I can do a review on those if you would like after the installation, but let's do a quick unboxing of that. Let's get to unboxing this one. So here we've got the Megan Racing lowering springs. They look pretty orange in the picture, but they're actually red, which I'm surprised and very pleased with. By no means is this going to slam my 2012 SI, but it'll give it a functional low, kind of the track look that I'm going for. So those are the fronts. Here's my rears. The installation video of this isn't going to be out until probably the spring. But be awaiting on the short ram intake install video very shortly, and I will see you in the next one.